A sports car really need a fake noise? Nowadays, some cars like the MX-5 or the Subaru BRZ are equipped with a sound tube. Normally, this tube introduces induction noise from the air filter box to the inside of the firewall. It creates more engine noise inside the cabin, giving you more sensation of a sports car. This is the new OM tube we're gonna use. The first step is remove the vacuum tube with the screwdriver. Then, with the ratchet and 10mm socket, loosen the bolts of the metal clamp. Now is the turn of the two bolts who subject the sound tube to the engine bay. Take the screwdriver and make pressure at the tube. Take care for not damage the paint. Squeeze the hose while you make lever with the screwdriver. Sound tube off. Take off the two metal clamps of the old hose and fit it on the new one. For an easy install of the new hose, take off the superior part of the airbox. It's easy, just it does two clips. Now it's very simple, just reverse all the process. And this is the last step. Just put the grommet on the hole. And that's it. It's easy, fast, and for all the family. Without the sound tube, the engine bay looks more roomy and you have more space for work. And here you have side by side the two systems. If you don't want to spend money with this mod, you have another option. With the hose in your hands, remove the sound tube of the hose. Here you have the bomb of the sound tube. Let's go to open it. I don't know how it works this system, but looks like a diaphragm. Let's go to open the other part of the sound tube. This is smaller than the other one. And we found some foam inside. You can do your own mod without spend money. Take the cap of the bottle of water. Put on the hole the plastic cap. More or less it does the same size. Now take a roll of adhesive tape. The cap sticks to the hole easily with adhesive tape. Just roll it. and it does the two ways for delete the sound tooth. Is it worth to buying the sound tooth? Definitely yes! I hope you like this video. Leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.